GermAlerts. When was the last time your furniture was professionally cleaned? Believe it or not, that water came from this furniture set. Yes, it does have some pen and marker, but the couch sofa set actually looks clean. Eyes can be deceiving when it comes to furniture. Now, first thing I really want to do is I really want to move this pen. I really want to remove this marker from this set. So I really want to put a little elbow grease in. Always use a white rag so that way you can tell that you're actually getting it out. Now, if you want to know what we're using today, just send me an email at kyle@germalerts.org and I'll give you a list of everything that we're using today. Just know I am a professional. Use at your own precaution. Make sure you read directions for measurements and dwell time. It's very important that you understand when you put a chemical on your couch, how long does it have to sit on your couch for it actually to work. So please read the directions thoroughly. Use at your own precaution. Now, if you notice here, a lot of the ink, a lot of the dirt has been removed off of the sofa, and it is now on the white rag. That way I know, yes, it is working, it is being removed. It's not just what you see, it's what you know when you're cleaning. And as you see, that white rag has the marker, has the pen on the rag. Now, the cleaning that we're going to be doing here is a face front cleaning. A face front cleaning is just a cleaning that you do on the face front. I do a face front cleaning, I also do spot removal, and I also do a full cleaning. Because I can't remove these seat cushions, they wanted the face front cleaning. First step that's very important, what I like to do is I really like to vacuum. I like to remove all the fibers, all the loose dirt. You really got to get in there and you really got to vacuum. Now, depending on how bad the furniture that you're cleaning, depends on how long you need to vacuum. I let people know they should be vacuuming their furniture at least a few times a week. I mean, how long do you vacuum your furniture? How many times a week? Let me know in the comments how many times a week you actually vacuum and you actually keep your furniture set. But for me, I vacuumed this set here once because it really wasn't that bad, but it does help. 50% of the battle is in the vacuuming. Next step, what I'm doing, I'm adding my pre-spray. Now, this pre-spray is great to actually remove germs, and it also helps remove stains. Now, with the pre-spray, make sure you pay attention to the measurements. You add a certain amount of pre-spray to a certain amount of bottle, depending on how big the bottle is. Pay attention to the directions. Next step, what I'm doing, I'm adding my hot water. Now, inside the hot water, I have also something called an all rinse. All rinse is great because it helps remove dirt, it helps remove germs. Now, all rinse can also be used on carpets. It can also be used on rugs. I love it because it really helps remove stains. Now, I'll be adding my pre-spray again for the second time. Yes, for the second time, I want it to mix with the water because it really stretches it. Now I'm using my brush because I really want to agitate the dirt. Agitate it. You really want to spread it all around evenly to clean it. Look at it like this. If you're cleaning your body, you always need something to spread the soap around to really remove the dead cells on your body. Same thing for the couch, right? I really want to loosen it up as much as possible, scrub it as much as possible to let loose any loose fibers, so that way when I extract it, everything comes out. But not only that, you're really spreading around the chemical so it can get everywhere on the couch. Just keep in mind, everything that I'm using is great for kids. It's great for animals. It is approved. Now, 10 minutes after my dwell time, I really want to extract. Everything that I'm putting on the couch, I am removing. I don't leave anything on the couch. I put it on there, I remove it. Now for this couch, because of the condition it was in, I actually did this twice. Now sometimes you get some fabrics, some couches need to be done more than once. But for this couch, I did it twice because it really wasn't in that bad of shape. GermAlerts. We would love to come out, we would love to service you, and we would love to service your furniture. Now this is fact. Did you know if you haven't got your couch clean in some time, that your toilet seat may be cleaner than your couch? Yes, look it up. Your actual toilet seat is cleaner than your couch if you haven't got your couch professionally cleaned. And the reason why I say professionally clean, if you're spraying chemicals on your couch and it's just sitting there, is it helping? Yes, but it needs to be extracted. If not by me, by yourself. GermAlerts. We would love to come out, we would love to service you, we'd love to service your family. You, your friends, your family deserve a clean environment. GermAlerts. Now the last step, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be spraying my deodorizer. Now this deodorizer I actually love. And the reason why I love it, because it's a disinfectant / deodorizer. It is optional, but a lot of the customers absolutely love it. GermAlerts. We would love to come out and service you.